In today's video, you will learn how to paste text without formatting in Microsoft Word. When copying text from other documents or web pages, the original formatting often comes along with it. This can include fonts, colors, sizes, and other styles that may not match your current document. There are two main ways to paste text without formatting in Word. The first method is simple and built right into the paste options. After copying the formatted text from any source, go to the Home tab and find the Clipboard group. Under the Paste button, there's a small arrow that opens a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the Keep Text Only option. When you do this, Word inserts the copied text into your document, but strips away all the original formatting, leaving only plain text. This is quick and effective when you want to paste one or two sections without bringing in unwanted styles. The second method involves creating a keyboard shortcut for pasting text without formatting. This option is handy if you frequently paste text from different sources and want to speed up your workflow. To set up the shortcut, start by navigating to the File tab and select Options. This opens the Word Options dialog box. Inside, go to the Customize ribbon tab, and near the bottom, click the Customize button next to Keyboard Shortcuts. In the Customize Keyboard dialog box, under the Categories column, scroll down and select All Commands. Then in the Commands column on the right, find and select Paste Text Only. This command corresponds to pasting text without any formatting. Next, click inside the Press New Shortcut key field and press the key combination you want to assign. In this tutorial, we use Ctrl+Shift+V because it is commonly used in other programs for the same purpose. However, you can choose any shortcut that doesn't conflict with existing ones. After recording your shortcut, click Assign to confirm, then close the dialog boxes by clicking OK. Now whenever you paste text using your new shortcut, it will automatically insert as plain text without any formatting. This saves time and keeps your documents neat without extra steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like.